Unraveling, False Pretense, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of phrases, specifically focusing on false pretense. This phrase is not just a combination of words, but a gateway to understanding nuanced communication in English. Let's embark on this journey to explore and master the use of false pretense. False pretense refers to an act of deception, dishonesty, or misrepresentation. When someone does something under false pretense, they are essentially misleading others by presenting false information or intentions. This concept is widely used in both everyday conversations and legal contexts. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also sharpen your comprehension of complex situations. To fully grasp false pretense, let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine someone selling a car claiming it's new when it's not, or a person pretending to be a professional in a field they know little about. These scenarios depict actions taken under false pretense. By identifying these instances, you can better understand the context and implications of the phrase in everyday life. In legal terms, false pretense can have serious implications. It often relates to fraudulent activities where someone obtains something, usually money or property, by misrepresenting the truth. This section will help you understand the gravity of the phrase when used in legal scenarios, highlighting its significance beyond daily conversations. Using false pretense correctly in sentences enhances your communication skills. We'll provide you with sentence structures and examples, showing how to incorporate this phrase into your spoken and written English seamlessly. Practice these examples to gain confidence in using false pretense accurately. And that's a wrap on false pretense. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning, usage, and importance of this phrase in both casual and formal contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your English language skills and enables you to communicate more effectively. Stay curious and keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.